32 and a 37 grill.
So that's what was on my Buick, that one there?
No. Well, he's got some neat stuff. Boy, this guy's ingenious. That is neat. Unbelievable. Boy, this guy's a craftsman.
You did all this? Yes, you did.
Look at that. That's it has a spine to it too, huh?
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Keeps me out of trouble.
Keeps you out of the bar rooms at night, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I quit that.
A nice Chevy. Another nice Chevy. I've seen this. I've seen that one before.
Which one do you want?
Nice. Oh, a nice Hemi with three deuces. Had Edmunds breathers on it. This is nice.
Spend the night, but it's 5 hours to Tallahassee. We start out in Tallahassee.
41 Chevy. Another nice Chevy. Chevys are outnumbering the Fords right now. I had to change mics, it's awful windy. Chevys are outnumbering the Fords about 10 to 1. It's a nice one. A Ford. It's nice. Boy, that exhaust is trick. Got a Vermont plate on this. At least on the front. Beautiful interior. Smells good too. Yeah, he's from Vermont. For real. Cars are still coming in. This is Friday, so I imagine there'll be a lot more tomorrow. Another Chevy. Oh boy, this is nice. Louisiana. Nice truck. Another Chevy. $513,000 miles on this. Holy mackerel.
Huh?
513,000 miles? Mercury.
How are you, gentlemen?
Good, how's it going?
Thank you for coming.
No, I'm glad to be here. We'd rather be here tomorrow, but we couldn't.
Got an Olds motor in it.
Well, it's the same everything's happening tomorrow.
Yeah, they've already indicated that tomorrow there'll be a lot more cars here. Hey, a Ford and a Ford. 351 Cleveland. Nice 37. Slant back, 4-door. Beautiful Woody.
Then I find out.
48 Chevy sedan delivery. It is radical. That's wild. Nice. Yeah, they're still rolling in. Early Friday morning. They're from Maryland. We were up here just a few weeks ago. Nice Packard. Oh, I love the wheels. Got a 440 in it. Dodge. Wow. Vintage Street Rods of America. This must be their official vehicle. Boy, it is nice. Says look up. Oh. gorgeous. The exhaust comes out there. Boy, this thing's impressive. '34 Dodge Humpback. And he's based out of Tennessee. This must be where that vintage club comes from. So what do you think, Spike? Huh? What do you think? You like it, huh? Nice day.
Hi. Look at this one.
Hey, buddy, he is.
Hi. Where are you today?
Oh, this is not the actual truck. Started life as a bus, it says. And this is for all you guys that did a lot of drugs in the 60s and 70s.
You're going to check in the museum, see if he is going to be in today, or?
Ghost Sunday.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even notice the ghost flames or whatever. They're on the front?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's got ghost flames there, too. Got LED lights underneath the bumper and a horseshoe, and pretty impressive vehicle.
And I was wearing 50 sunblock. Still got it. One year they sponsored this. And it was one of their cars that they had in.
Let's come over here. Big Daddy's running around in a golf cart.
He's very comfortable with you.
Oh, yeah. He's got the touch.
Vibes. Have a sixth sense.
He's got a new Hemi in it. No, I correct myself. That's not a new Hemi.
Keith Black Hemi.
Yeah, that's a Keith Black Hemi. And here's the snowbirds going home early, mile after mile after mile. This is 75 by Ocala.
Today's the 29th of March.
Today's the 29th. I guess they're trying to beat the real traffic. It just goes on forever.